piping. Rehau has full flow fittings, so you expand the pipe in order to get the fitting inside. So this is how it works. Sleeve slips over top of the pipe. Your tool goes into the pipe. Expand it. And then you slip your fitting in, bring the sleeve up to it. And then the back side of this tool.
Hold on, let me see the tool.
Yeah, this is a tight spot, so the nice thing about these tools here is they're very interchangeable, or you can make it fit sideways or wherever you need to. So then you can get this to hook right there, and then it just springs it all together, and that's called an Everloc fitting. There's no possible way for human error. The machine won't let you stop halfway through it. You never have to calibrate any of your tools, and that's why I like to use Rehau.